Hey guys, a really quick video today. I have a small unboxing haul from Traveler's Factory. So I already took the shipping label off. My journaling stuff and planning stuff for next year is all from Hobonichi, but I did want to get a couple little things from the new Traveler's Factory release for next year as well. Ooh, okay, let me put the invoice away. And a little disclaimer, I did get enough stuff to get free shipping. So just FYI. Such a cute little package. Well packaged. Okay, so the first thing I got was, this is from the, oh, I was like, what is this pink thing? Okay, hold on. All right, so this is from 2025 release, and I got the folder and I got the pencil board. I do have one traveler's notebook. I had also gotten a small one of the passport size, but I really wasn't enjoying the super tiny size, so I gave it to my husband and he loves it, so he's very happy with it. So I just have the regular standard size, and I have this I have the, you know, sort of the most basic brown, dark brown one, and I just love getting accessories for it. I asked him if he wanted anything for his little notebook too, but he was not interested in that and all the accessories. But yeah, let me see. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, okay. For some reason, I thought it would be like a folder that could be added to one of the bands, but really it's just a basic sort of folder. Interesting. Although I guess it does have like a little opening here. I don't know if I can show you guys over here. There's like a little, it's not fully completed. So if you really wanted to, you could stick a rubber band through there and then just kind of tie it back up, but I don't think I'm gonna bother with all that. Oh, okay, and here's the pencil board. I already have a pencil board for it because I took one of my Hobonichi pencil boards and cut it down to size. Oh, it's already, but this one is actually a lot thicker than the Hobonichi one. The Hobonichi one is much thinner plastic, and this is much thicker plastic. And this is really nice for writing on like that thinner paper that they have. It's really pretty. It's got like all this gold foiling. It's really nice. And I'm shooting this video on Thursday, and maybe I'll try to put it out on Thursday for you guys too, and I just really like this design. I actually didn't like the passport size design as much, but the standard size designs are really nice. Like I like the little dove with the planner, and over here I like this I like that painting. I don't know, it's just really cute. So I love those two. And I got the sticker release paper. I've never had this. But this could be convenient. It's actually a lot thicker than I thought. I don't know why I thought it wouldn't be that many sheets. Let me see. 32 pages. I mean, I guess that makes sense that it's so thick because the pages themselves are a little bit thicker. Oh yeah, so it's like that paper that you have that's backing to stickers. So this could be really convenient to kind of bring along, you know, if you're going on a trip and you have stickers you want to save or whatever, or stickers left over from sticker sheets. It's a pretty convenient size. And then I just got like a little refill. This is the regular MD paper white with like the blank. I use these when we go on trips. I have one blank one right now that has the Tokyo stuff on it because I had gotten it when we were in Tokyo. So I wanted to get a blank one for like if we go somewhere, you know, that's not related to Japan. Finally, I got this thing, Travel and Sketch Art Toolkit. So what happened was I was looking at these in the summer and I really wanted to get it, but I was like, oh, maybe I should wait until they come out with, you know, with the 2025 stuff. And then they went out of stock and I was like, oh no, I was really upset that they were gone. And I was like kicking myself, like I should have gotten it. And they had this other version there. It's like green, which I love the color. It was green. And it said something like good music, good coffee, and a good notebook, But I don't really drink coffee, and I'm not actually a big music listener. It didn't really feel like it applied to me whatsoever, but I did like the color, but I didn't want to. But this one I really love. It's like art themed. It's so beautiful. It's like this beautiful coppery color, and I got the bigger one. Travelers Company USA, Art Toolkit. Oh, sometimes they're like, hold on a second. Hard to pop open at first. So I already have one of this size that I put all my gouache in, like my regular gouache in. And then this will be, and I have leftovers. I have one of these, I have like a few of these. I have a bunch of leftovers saved. I can really like do some interesting configurations. I like that it comes with all these because then I can like really customize. But I'm going to set it aside for now and put it in my pile of gifts, future gifts that I have going. And then, you know, when things come around like Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day, anniversary, you know, birthday, mother, whatever, any occasions that require a gift, I pull gifts out of that pile because sometimes I'm in the mood to like, or like I'll find something I like. And then other times those things come around and I have absolutely nothing I am interested in. So it's nice to always have like a little pile going, just, you know, just to be able to pull out of. And I don't need this right this second. I already have one this size, one smaller, and one of the tiny ones. So this will be set aside for later as a gift. So this is for later. The special edition was the exact same price as the regular edition on the Art Toolkit website. So it's a good deal. You know, it got me free shipping. Then I got these 4 things. Oh, and this is a freebie, and it's brown, and it's got this bronze on it. I really like that. This freebie came if you got stuff from the 2025 collection, and I honestly wasn't sure if I would actually get the freebie because I was only getting a couple little things, and I wasn't sure if it only came with like the actual planners or journals, but they gave me one. So I'm like really excited about that. So it's like a little leather tag, and it says Love and Trip Travelers Company. You guys wait a second and I'll be right back with my actual journal to show you. So I'm not currently using it, so I'm storing it in this box. So here's all my stuff. And I probably have some other stuff that I have somewhere. So I have this folder, cardboard folder that I use a lot. So I want to see, oh, here's the notebook. It's really worn out because I have used it some years. I had my planner in it, so it was getting used every single day. It's been through multiple trips. You know, some of them were like 2.5 week long trips, you know, and it's just indestructible. So I just love this thing. I've had it for many years. I started using them probably 2016 or earlier, even before Hobonichi. So what I could do is basically I would untie the rubber band and put this on, and then it looks really cute. Or it could be like that to like protect the side, and I could put a pen in there or something, or it could be like that just for decoration. And I do have another, like I have a metal thing I bought in when I was in Japan, and it's like a coin that you can hang on here, but I had it on the little one and I took it off. So anyway, so I'll show you guys what I have in it. And I had all this stuff in it. But then I was like trying out different things. Oh, I was trying out to see if the Hobonichi weeks would fit in there okay. But I decided not to do that. So I have this clear folder in here that I really like. In this clear folder, I put a lot of stuff. Whenever I travel, I just like load these. Here's the Hobonichi pencil board. It was the cousin-sized one, and I just cut off the edge, and then it's now perfect size for the traveler's notebook. So I have the one with the clear paper. So let's see how this works with the clear, not the clear paper. I have the one with the thin paper. It's not the MD paper, it's the lightweight paper. And I really like using it because you get a lot of pages, and it's almost like the Hobonichi Tomo, it's almost like Tomo River paper. It really takes, holds up well with watercolors and stuff. Oh wow, okay, look at how see-through that is. So if I wanted to use these lines as guidelines for writing, that would actually work quite well. Like that, or like that. Yeah, and then it has a ruler here. It's really cute. Okay, so the pencil board goes here, and then the lightweight paper in here right now. Then I have this folder. It's a little bit slightly bigger, so I kind of put it to go over the whole, like it wraps around everything when I put it in. I got this at Osaka Castle last summer, and it's really nice. It's got multiple, you know, pockets, so that goes in here. Oh yeah, so I was gonna see how this would fit in here. So if I wanted to, oops, let me see, does this fit in here? Oh yeah, there you go. Could just fit that in here like that. Right, or like I said, I could untie that rubber band, but I'm not gonna bother with all that. Does that fit in here? No, that does not fit in there. Or in there. No, that does not fit. Oh, definitely fits really well in here. Yeah. It's just, so it's a good way to like organize your stuff. And if it bothers you that it's sticking out the top, you could always just trim it and use a corner rounder and it will just be a little bit shorter. I'm not gonna do that. It doesn't really bother me if it sticks out a little bit. In fact, I don't think it would stick out because the leather notebook actually is, yeah, see, it doesn't really stick out actually. So it would be, yeah. So that's totally fine. So I got the plain notebook. I actually have another clear folder, and I had another, I don't know where I put all my stuff. Anyways, I have a lot of, here's the MD paper. That's the same thing as this, but the white MD paper. I wonder if, let me see, can you see this through the regular MD paper? Oh yeah, look. Because the lines are so dark on a light background, you can see it even through the regular paper. So that's nice. And I'm definitely going to untie it and put this on here, because I ended up not liking the metal tag as much because it was kind of like scraping against the notebook a lot. But this brown tag is perfect. And then of course I have a bunch of like leftover accessories and all sorts of things. And I have a bunch of like pockets and other things I made myself out of like other things that I can also add in there because I really pile it up when I go on a trip. Love and trip. That's perfect. Like I said, these days I mostly just use this for trips. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Bye.